So I drew a picture of Hellboy, and this is Mike Mignola's character. Such a neat, unique character. So I'm going to give it a try of doing my version of Hellboy. And let's see how it goes. So I did the drawing in light blue pencil, a Collie Race light blue. And I'm going to do the cleanup with a precise rolling ball V5, which is by Pilot. So I've got this book, The Art of Hellboy, and I'm using that as a guide to try and do Mike Mignola's style, which is a lot of high con with these very thin lines. I kind of don't think too many guys had done a style like this in comics before Mike did. I'm taking liberties calling him Mike. I've never met Mike. I should be saying nobody ever drew like Mike Mignola before with this style. And like I said, it's so unique. It's kind of the opposite of any drawings that I've had to do in animation with this thin line and all the shadow work on it. Most of the shows that I work on, it's a very slick line, at least on the model sheets. And just so different than what Mike Mignola does. He's got shadows all over the place. And I thought that I would do Hellboy holding a very delicate cup of tea or coffee. I'll leave a lot of this stuff for the shadow brushwork. So it's been quite a few years since I saw the Hellboy movie, which I thought was really well done. And Ron Perlman played Hellboy. So that was quite a few years ago now. Let's see if I can get this finger just right on his hand here. So like I said, just a quick drawing. Everything on Hellboy is rumpled. It seems like these really severe folds in his coat. Like the coat is made of heavy canvas that's never been broken in. Some steam coming up out of there. And then let's get out one of our markers. This is that Elegant Writer 3.0. Seems like it's running out of ink a little bit there. Let's try this one. This is another calligraphy pen. Cali Italic Creative, and this is a B for bold. So let's see if we can get some bold lines in there. There we go. Look at that. So there was a quick Hellboy drawing, and if you like Hellboy, give him a shot. Try and draw it. It's such an interesting character and such an interesting style. There we go. Just all kinds of marks everywhere. So, give that a shot and see what you come up with when you do your drawing of Hellboy. And until next time, keep drawing.